What do we got in this grill? Whoa, a special edition t-shirt, limited to 50, only 50 of these will be available in the entire world. Special packaging, it looks like it comes in a little deli meat container. It says Johnny Cupcakes Meats, and that label in there also acts as a sticker, so you can use that as a sticker after too when you open it up. These will be available tomorrow on Friday, July 5th at JohnnyCupcakes.com. And only 50 made. We got some nice colors, nice details, Halloween themed t-shirt. This is going to be something you could wear year round. We celebrate Halloween year round here at Johnny Cupcakes. And in addition to all these details, something new we started putting in the inside of the Johnny Cupcakes t-shirts is a tribute to my mom. Rest in peace. It says, my mom Lorraine says, being kind is free. And on the back of this t-shirt, it's going to be numbered up to 50. This one is not numbered yet, but each shirt will have a different number on it to guarantee authenticity.